Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to show you these really cool stickers. So you get 150 of these. These are waterproof vinyl stickers. These are the neon ones. These are such a great size. My daughter wanted some stickers and she wanted something that wasn't kiddish. And these are really cool. You can actually dig through and they have so many different designs. These are good to put on water bottles. They're good to put on your laptop. They're good to put on your phone. You can choose wherever you want to, especially the fact that they're waterproof, so you're able to put them on things that you want to last a long time. I really love that you can choose a different style and kind of customize things to what you like. It's pretty fun. The colors on them are really cool too. It really is like a neon-y, so it's really fun going through these. My daughter likes to organize things by style too, so she's had a lot of fun, especially because there's 150 of these. So it's kept her busy for a long time, and I love the fact that we can pick and choose which ones we love and where they're gonna go. But that's just my point of view.